Hi, for today's video, let's revise on the theories of atomic structure. So I've chosen a question from O-Level Science Chemistry 2015 Paper 3, Question 3. Let's first have a look at the question. When completed, Table 3.1 describes the components of most atoms. Complete the table by filling in the blank boxes. So I've copied down the table on my board right here, and we can see that there's a proton, neutron and electron on the left, and on the top we have got relative mass and relative charge. Let's fill up the table with these three blank boxes. Alright, so we have relative mass of proton being 1, relative mass of neutron being 1. For electron, is negligible, but if you remember, the theory is 1/1840. Alright, so it's really quite small. That's why we don't really calculate it into our MR for the molecules. Alright, next we have relative charge. For proton, it's a +1. For neutron, it has got no charge, so it will be 0. And for electron, it will be a 1 minus charge. Alright, so this is how we fill in the table. Alright, let's look at part B1. A beryllium ion can be represented as, right, so I've got the symbols that's copied down here, can be represented as these. We have a Be2+ with a 9 being the atomic mass and 4 being the atomic number. So here we are required to fill in the number of protons, number of neutrons and number of electrons. Okay, so first what we can do is to recognize the atomic number. This will tell us the number of protons. That is 4. And having the atomic mass, which is the number of protons and the number of neutrons add together, we can have this minus this to give us the number of neutrons. Right, so 9 minus 4, that will give us 5. Last but not least, the number of electrons. So in a neutral atom, we'll have number of electrons being the same as the number of protons. That will actually be 4. But now this is a beryllium ion, giving away 2 electrons already. So 4 minus 2, that will give us 2 electrons left. Alright, so this is how we fill in the number of protons, neutrons and electrons. Alright, next we have got part 2. Write an ionic equation for the formation of beryllium ion, Be2+, from a beryllium atom. Alright, so we have a beryllium atom from the start, that is Be. Alright, so it will give us a beryllium ion, Be2+, by giving away 2 electrons. So this is essentially what they wanted. Alright, so it's quite an easy marks for this whole question, and this will be the solution for the whole question.